Oh my days, look at this. Look at this red striped battered fish. Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is Battered. This is Cook and Vibe, and we are fully active. Yes, people, today we are making red stripe battered fish. Yeah, man. Just like in England, the original fish and chip style. That's what we're doing today. But we're using red stripe. Red stripe beer batter fish. Fully active. It's a beautiful day, people. The juice bar is active, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? First of all, you're gonna need some cod fillets. Yeah, some nice cod fillets. The first thing we're gonna do, give them a little wash, put a little lemon on them, and then we're gonna season them up. You can use whatever seasoning you want. I'm gonna go with the Jamaican seasoning, I think. And yeah, that's the first thing we're gonna do. Gonna need a lemon. So we'll take a lemon from the juice bar. Yeah, it's just gonna squeeze some lemon juice all over them, people. That is it. This is the seasoning I'm gonna be using, people. Some Maggi all-purpose seasoning and some Battered complete seasoning. You're gonna need some plain flour as well. So the first thing we're gonna do is just season up this side of the meat and then turn it over, season up that side, you know what I'm saying? That's that side seasoned. Turn this over. And when I put the lemon on it, I kind of like smothered both sides in the lemon as well, people. Good vibe, let's get this side done. Seasoned up nicely. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some plain flour on top of this and coat this in a plain flour. Fully active. Make sure that's all coated well. You know what I'm saying? Seasoned and the plain flour. Next thing we're gonna do is make the beer batter. 150 grams of plain flour, 50 grams of corn flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and next, of course, the red stripe, the original Jamaican lager. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, so we're gonna get the red stripe in there next, people. Yeah. Yeah, so we're just gonna tip it in little bit by little bit and mix it around. Now it's just giving this a good whisk round, people, you know what I'm saying? Got to put some elbow grease into that one, yeah. Red stripe battered fish. Bumbucklata, mad thing. I think we're pretty much there. We're pretty much there, people. Oh, good vibes, man. Now you gotta heat up the oil, get your pan on, get your oil on. Guys, it's time to fry. If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing. We're cooking inside today, people, just because I need to control the oil and you know what I'm saying, But yeah, man, we got the juice bar, outside fully active. Press that like button, hype up the video as well, people, do the right thing. The merchandise actually went live today. Yes, the merchandise went live today. Fridge magnets and key rings are the first two official products. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description where you can go over there and order your fridge magnets and your key rings as well. So you wanna make sure, give them an extra little coat of the flour. And then all we're gonna do is dip them in the batter in the oil, you know what I'm saying? I think we're ready. Let's go for this first bit here. And just make sure that's coated in there, that's it. Shake off the excess. Dip that in there. Dip that in there. All right, and let's go. Make sure that's all coated in there. That's it, all right, let's go. There we go. We got our first one. Here we go. Yeah. Beer battered fish. About 6 to 8 minutes. Yeah, about 6 to 8 minutes. Obviously, we're going to turn it halfway through. So yeah, I just don't want it to stick to the bottom, that's all. That's the only thing I don't want. Hey. Excuse me. Yeah. We're halfway there. That is it, people. Red striped battered fish. This one's a mad thing. Yeah. Bomba clara. These first babies are done. Look at that, man. Proper things. Let's get this one out. Look at that. Wow. Let's get the last one in there. Yeah. The last bit frying in there now, people. I'll turn it over in a minute. I'm going to be honest with you, I've never ever done this before. I did not do too bad. Man ain't done too bad still. Oh my days, look at this. Look at this red striped battered fish. Wow. I'm going to be honest, people. This is the first time I've ever done battered fish like this, and I don't think I've done too badly, do you? Look at that. Good vibes, man. Fully active, red striped battered fish. That is it. Come to the chip shop for some chips and some mushy peas. It does say you can't have battered fish about no chips and mushy peas, you understand? Yes, Matty, big up, man. The Zoomy people, so yeah. Final meal. Our red stripe beer battered fish. Chips, mushy peas and tartar sauce. That is it. Fling a little bit of hot sauce in the game. But I want to try it without any hot sauce first. Put a little bit of lemon on it. And let's try it first. The missus likes it. She said it's 10 out of 10. Better than the shop, she said. That's really good. That is amazingly good. A little bit of tartar sauce on there. Red striped beer battered fish. It's the one. I promise. Look at that.